It is blazing out here today, but we got this little like crappie magnet jig looking thing. 6-pound test, little medium spinning rod, and a little stream. I want to see if anything is biting. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. This looks like a crazy good spot. Yeah, they're not. Oh, they're just not able to get that hook. I think our weed guard is helping us against the weeds, but not helping us get bites. Let's see, we got a couple different things in here. A bunch of small jig heads, a couple little grub type baits. Probably need something really tiny like this. Yeah, we might try this guy out. That's what we're throwing now, but we're gonna switch to this guy and see if we can get one of these little fish. All right, we've got a lot smaller of bait. Here's my pinky for comparison. Oh, we almost lost it. Oh, there's a ton of them over there. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Look at this. First catch. There's a whole bunch of them over there, and I just kept reeling it and finally got this guy. Look at that. Nice little boogie. Nice. There's a ton of them down there. Look back. Thank you for biting. Oh, straight into another tree. Well. That's unfortunate. We lost our jig, but I think we got most of our line back. That's the important part. There we go. That's probably the nicest bluegill we've caught all day. Barely got him too. There he is. Look at that. All right. Oh, look at this guy. Looks like a green sunfish. Come on up. Let's look at you. Yeah. Come on. Look at that. All right. That is our bait. See if we can get it in position. Okay, good cast, good cast. It's like we're getting bit right there. Oh yeah, we're getting bit. Oh, we got something. Is that a little bass? Man, immediately switching baits caught us a fish. Definitely use darker colors when that water is all murky. Murky or just dark green, any dark colored water. Come on, dude. There we go. He's getting all wrapped up in the line. Now we got another tangle, but we'll figure that out here in a second. Look at this little guy. Caught him right top of the mouth, barely even on. Get out of the line, bucko. There we go. Look at that. Thanks for biting. Toss you back. We got bass all over this place. Over here by these trees. Whoa. We got the rod tip in a precarious position. I might have to start reeling in hard to. Oh yeah, we got hit. 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 Oh, damn. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Flung some dirt at us. That's probably the biggest bass we've caught all day. Come on, come on. Oh man. Bro. There we go. Let's go. Dude, he got us all muddy. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, he wasn't coming off. We got him. He's like, got the jig head nailed on his lip. There we go. Yeah, it's probably the second biggest. We'll take him. Alright, let's toss him back. There we go. Thank you. Look how dirty you are now. That seems like a bluegill bite. Yeah, that definitely seems like a bluegill bite. Let's see if we can. Okay. Right next to the way down. Oh. Immediate little bluegigi. Look at that. That's one of those ones with a little orange on them. Thank you. Toss him back. Man, we're on a roll. This was definitely a great idea. This spot looks promising. Bait's kind of heavy. Definitely help us with casting. It. Oh, we got a good one. What is this? Oh, nice bass. What? Come on. Come on. Oh, this is the nicest one of the day. If I can get him out of here. Damn. We just gotta play him. We just gotta play him. I'm out of it. The closest I can get is probably over here. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. On the little bitsy bug. Oh man, he got it like stuck on his lip too. There you go. Yeah. Look at that. Upgrading. Nice fish. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. Let's see if we can get a release on him. Nice. Dude, they're getting bigger. I like this.